Hey everyone, Technomentor here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your iPhone 14 Pro in a few different ways. So let's get started. Now, the simple and the easiest way is using either the volume up or volume down button along with this side button here. You want to press either of these buttons simultaneously, hold it about for a few seconds, just like this, until this menu pops up and you can slide to power off. Now, that's method number one. Method number two is just simply go into your setting of your iPhone, go to general, scroll down where it says shutdown. Again, same thing, slide to power off, which will turn off your iPhone. And then the third method you can also use is Siri. If you're using Siri, you can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button, or just say, "Hey Siri, power down." Yes. And then it's going to basically ask you if you want to confirm to power down or turn off, and that will turn off your iPhone. Really simple and easy. And now to power back on, you simply hold on to this side button until you see the Apple logo appear. So you can just press and hold this. Or else, if you can use this, you can also plug it into a charger, which will automatically turn it back on if it's powered off. So that's how you turn off iPhone 15 Pro. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.